There we go. Pete had a bite. Got him. We're commercial fishing today. I hope it's recording. I think it is. Let's peek out one on. Looks like a little guy. How big?
Maybe,
maybe 15 inches, hopefully.
He may be a little bigger than a eater.
Whoa. Carmine had a hot hand today. Oh, look at that. There's a nice one. Very nice, Captain Pete. Let me get a little close up of that. Yeah, very nice. Okay. I'll come over to Gene's side. You still jigging, Gene?
Yep. Jigging, I think my bait is going.
Okay. Why did it just shut down? Shows you what I know.
The cord is on and it just pan it over.
That goes in the water too, Micah.
Yeah, it'll go in the water. I don't know why it just shut down on me.
What, that?
But it's back on again.
That?
I think it's recording. Let's take a look at what we got already. Pretty good. They'll come alive by tonight.